Man battling for life following stabbing at Willowgate Plaza in Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man is battling for life at hospital and a suspect is in custody following a stabbing incident at the Willowgate Plaza in Mandeville on Friday evening. Up to late yesterday evening, the 22-year-old victim was unresponsive in an operating theatre at the Mandeville Regional Hospital. Police said that the victim and the suspect had an altercation on the second floor of the plaza, during which a knife was used to inflict stab wounds to the victim's neck. He ran and collapsed meters away on Manchester Road. Sources said that he sustained multiple stab wounds. His condition up to the publication of this report today remains unknown. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.